Hey there, Ash Kendra again. This little video is going to be a bit of a short one. I've got a Calcutta Conquest 200 DC. I've got an aftermarket handle, Gamatsu, I think it is, a Gamatsu handle. I'll check it, make sure it's going to fit. Hopefully it all fits. We'll pull the old handle off, see what that, chuck new handle on, see what it looks like. Maybe good, maybe not. It's a power handle, so a little something different. I'm going to see how it feels as well. May or may not use it for the upcoming tournament in May next year. Let's check it out. See you there. Hey there, welcome back. Here we go. As I said, we're going to be doing the Calcutta Conquest DC. I'm just going to swap out a handle. Here's the one I've got, I've sourced. It is a Gomexus fishing one off AliExpress. Carbon fibre handle. I'm not sure the quality of that. It does look like it's got layers in there. Looks pretty neat. I think it'll go well with the gold or the Calcutta. That's why I thought I'd get it. I'll give it a try. Alright. Aluminium. Definitely looks like some layers in there. I'm not sure what sort of fibres. Maybe just a outer layer of carbon and then the inner layer of something or plastic. Not sure. It spins alright, that's pretty good. Pretty happy with that. What else have they brought us in the kit? Lock nuts, washers, associated. Okay, let's see what we can do here. First of all, let's get this last O1 off. Gonna need a flat blade screwdriver. Definitely tight there. We're going anyway. Lock plate. In one way, outside's got the nut. Shoot, that's going to be a 10 mil. Calcutta Conquest, just yeah, what a great reel. Really great reel. Knocked my socks off last year. I couldn't believe that a reel could just be that good, actually. Just silky smooth. It's got a little lock ring in there. See the difference I said with the, you've seen in previous videos. I think on one of the divers, one of the new ones I've got, the little Tatula has really pointy ends. I think once you get to the upper echelon of the reel word, you can see the difference in the quality, and it's that there. When you're pushing on that drag all day, the last thing you need is a pointy edge. So having something round, that's fantastic. So it should be fairly simple on jamming. I don't know what else I'm going to need here. Should be pretty much straight on. Let's get that back on there. There's a bit of spacing. Sure if that's only. Didn't come with any instructions. So the little washers that they've given me, I'm not sure what they're for. What is this? Excuse me. Okay, so I've got the multiple little tiny washers. There's 4 of them. I'd really like to use that one. Don't know why I wouldn't use. We'll have a look at it. We'll test it out anyway. Got a plastic nut there. Not sure why you'd want to use a plastic nut. They've given you two. They give me a. I think that's alloy. Looks like an alloy one. Obviously a lot different. Compared the two nuts. Side by side, you can see the quality. That's obviously a recessed nut, so it locks down. Can't go anywhere. So I'm not sure how this one's going to fit. The plate's totally different. That's a solid bit of aluminium. It's not going anywhere, and this is just a little thin bit. Thickness wise, it's probably half the thickness of it too, so may do something. Okay, let's check it out. So let's assume that's going to go in there. Let's check it out. That's why I'm doing it. For us, the stuff ups I make here might be able to help you guys save the freight and the money from buying it. Very close to the star drag. It's pretty firm. Lock nut. Washer. Same with all the reels. Get a 12 point, 6 point, no, 12 point washer, lock washer. Line up with the hole and just turn your point to suit. Don't know if I want to go too much more with that. That should be okay. Yeah, that should be good. Should be a little bit rounded on one side. That should give you a top edge. There you go. This is the put back in. So we might just use the old use the screw they've got. Let's just see how it looks anyway. There we go. Old nut, old washer, old plate. It does, you can find there's a small touch there. They could have added some sort of washer on the other side to that. Would have definitely been good. See, just the curve of the star drag on the genuine star drag is enough. So it's just touching it. It's not pushing it away or anything. Definitely not affecting the handle. Handle's all good. There you go. Gamexus. Pretty good. Overall, yeah, I don't mind it. If you need a power handle and you want to get it, AliExpress, Gamexus Fishing. Nice little unit. Comes up good. The gold with the gold, yeah. This gold's a little bit different to this. This is a bit more yellow, which is really, you can see this yellow here matches up nicely with the spool and
Calcutta Original Gold. This one's a little bit cheaper, this anodizing. It really should have probably matched that up a bit better. Carbon fibre, hey, it looks good. It looks true. With a fish on. Seems firm, solid. There's no flex in it, so I'm pretty happy with it overall. Nice little earner. Makes this fishing handle swap out. Have a great day.